Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download pages from a view-only PDF on Google Drive. So I've been given view-only access to two PDFs, and I'm going to open up the Super Secret Data PDF. And once I open it up, I am going to press F12 on the keyboard to open up the console. Now don't worry, we're not going to be using the console, but we need to find the network tab. So you'll either see a network tab around here, or you need to click on these two arrows here, and then you'll see network as a drop-down option here. So click on network and open it up. Then you want to scroll down on your PDF a bit, and you'll start to load pages. And then you'll notice some text saying IMG with a question mark. What we can do is, if we go on the filter up here and type in IMG, we're only going to see network activity relating to pages of the PDF. And you might be thinking, okay Max, what does this mean? Well basically, if we right click on one of these, and then open a new tab, look, we're viewing a page of the PDF, but it gets better. We can either right click, save image as, and essentially download this page of the PDF as a PNG. So we'll do nice view.png. And then we can open it up. And we've downloaded a page of that PDF. Or we can go up here and then go to print. And then we can do save as PDF. And then we click on save. And then we do PDF nice views. And if we go to where we've downloaded them in the File Explorer, you'll see that we've downloaded a page from the view-only PDF. And if we go into Adobe Acrobat, we can see that we've downloaded that view-only page as a PDF. So let's try another page. And by the way, you need to scroll through the PDF to load each page because it will load as you scroll. But let's download this one. So we go on here, we right click, and then go to open a new tab. And then we can right click, we can do save image as, and we can call it nice. And then click save. And I know this isn't the best method. It would be nicer to be able to download the entire PDF. But I think this is a good compromise. If the console command methods don't work, you are able to make a local copy of the data that you only have view-only permission to do, and you don't need to do anything like taking screenshots. This isn't hard to do. You just have to scroll through your PDF, then right-click on the network activity, open it in a new tab, and then download it from there. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.